I have got this Kenmore over the range microwave. This customer's complaint was that all the lights are staying on, like the display is on, the light inside the microwave when you open the door stays on, and the customer will put numbers on it to start the microwave. It's not gonna start because one of the micro switch, which is on the top side, that micro switch, which is all the way to the top, that was not hitting with this door hook. At first I thought I have problem with the door switch. I pulled all the switches, the micro switches out. By unplugging the microwave, I turned everything out, checked them one by one, everything was fine, and then finally I figured out that this door hook was not working properly. It was not engaging into the door switch. So I used a small flat screwdriver, open the string piece slowly. After trimming it, I install a piece of foam at the back of the door hook, which I will open this and work with right now and show you how it works. So at the back of this door hook, when you take this cover off, it was empty. If you really want to fix this in a proper way, you have to replace the whole door, because inside the door there is a small piece installed, and the door hook from the back will go inside there and it will hook there. But if you don't want to replace the whole door and you want to just fix it in a cheap way, just install a piece of foam with an electrical tape on opposite side, so this will not hit the foam, but the foam will keep this hook towards the outside, so this piece will kind of hit the micro switch and then the microwave will work. So that was the video for today. Thank you.